Governor of Ebonyi State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Ebonyi State, Secretary to the State Government, members of the State Executive Council, the Service Chief, my Chairman, my brother, the Chairman of the FRC Board. Because of time, let me stand on the existing protocol. I'm just speaking for 2 minutes because the maximum time we have is 10 minutes. And we have used 2 minutes for national anthem and prayer. Your Excellency, I thank you. When you came on board 4 years ago, the first thing you did was to sign off this land for us to the Federal Minister, Honorable Minister for Power, Works and Housing. You can't do anything until you sign it off, releasing the land to the federal government. Your Excellency, we appreciate this. Within 1 week of your assumption of office, the rest is history. And I gave you my words. I said you will come and commission. And when I finished, I called you. You said I should wait. You will finish that road. You don't want to do it in bits. The rest is history. On behalf of the management of Federal Road Safety Corps, I thank you. And before the early this year also, you gave us 2 patrol cars 4x4 because of the performance of the command. I thank you. And the state is well represented in Federal Road Safety. I brought one of them, the most senior, Jonas Agu. Initially, Your Excellency, I said when I come here, he will introduce himself, you will question him. But immediately the Deputy Governor saw him, he recognized him. I said, you have passed the exam. That is the true son of the soil. His name is Jonas Agu. Where are you from? Which local government? Afipo. Which town in Afipo? You have passed the test, Excellency. So the state is well represented and the recruitment going on to the state has its own fair share. And we continue to ensure that the state has its own fair share in all our activities. I won't waste time. You've contributed to this, you've supported us, you've encouraged us. I thank you. Because of time, I will not waste more time. My chairman, please come over, come and make your remarks.